one. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today is vlog day numero uno. So I had work this morning, and I woke up late, because I was irresponsible and I didn't set my alarm. Thankfully, it was just manager day, so it wasn't like, oh no, I'm late, I have 4 seconds to open the store, or the store isn't open. No, thankfully I lucked out in that department. But we are home now, and we are off the next 2 days. So, vlog day number 1, well, vlog, not really vlog. I mean, it's just gonna be a lazy day. I have my laundry in the wash right now, well, in the dryer. It's in the dryer right now. I'm waiting on a package from Amazon, so when that gets here, we'll unbox it. I have my cup of coffee. I am going to need to take a shower. That needs to happen. Oh, my husband is filming his first video today. He is starting a YouTube channel, so my husband is a chef, and he is going to be starting his first channel. I think it's like Chef T-Sam. I think that's what he's calling it. I don't know. Let's look it up. I believe those. Okay. So what I do know is, what was I saying? It's embarrassing. So yeah, today we are filming his first video. We're just gonna bypass everything. So we're filming his first video today, and he's gonna be starting out with like what he knows. Well, I mean, he knows everything pretty much, but like what he cooks daily, what he does at his restaurant, and like so on and so forth. I don't know the exact dish, but I am gonna link his channel down below because I'm just so proud of him. So, yeah. And then I'm gonna help him, like, I'm gonna show him the editing software that I use, so he can use that. But yeah, so aside from needing to go to the store and like get things to cook his first video for his channel, and like bathing, we really don't have much planned today. However, I am looking on Amazon to find a scale, because we started transitioning keto Friday. Yeah, Saturday. Friday. We started transitioning into keto Friday. It's getting rough, y'all. The first day, the first like transition per se, it wasn't that bad. We ended up getting like poke bowls, and he got rice noodles, I got spring mix, so I basically just jumped straight in. And then the next day was a completely keto friendly salad for dinner, which actually came out really good. And then last night was wings, zucchini, which was a total flop. It was a total freaking flop, y'all. So it was initially supposed to be like zucchini stackers, that in between each piece of zucchini was jalapeno popper flavoring and stuffing and stuff. It had like cream cheese and cheddar, mozzarella, jalapenos, bacon. They fell apart because I was irresponsible and did not get toothpicks to keep them standing up, and it became like a casserole, and it was not appetizing looking. And then we did broccoli and cheese. Broccoli and cheese was good. The wings were good. And then I made ranch. don't know what we're doing for dinner today, but I'm hungry. I am so hungry. Okay, so my morning food has literally consisted of 2 cups of coffee. And literally, as far as, and I know people are gonna come for me on this, and you know what, it's fine. If this is the worst thing I'm doing, I think I'm doing okay. My coffee is literally iced coffee, a little bit of heavy cream, and a sweet milk. I can't drink unflavored coffee. And then to top it off, we're coming into fall, and I want all the fall drinks, I want all the fall drinks. I don't discriminate on the fall drinks, except peppermint mochas. I hate peppermint mochas with a passion. I don't like mocha. Not a mocha person. So it's, I have sugar-free caramel. I guess I can use that. But I don't like sugar-free syrups. I do, however, like to put that sugar-free caramel in plain sparkling water. It kind of tastes like cream soda. But I'm looking to get a scale, and I measured myself today. Like, I'm gonna be really transparent with y'all right now. This is legit the most uncomfortable I've ever been. Ever. In about 70% of it was my birth control. The other 30% was me just saying, hey, you know what, like, unless I get off the birth control, there's nothing I can do. And then there's that PMS. It's rough. And it's, I think, COVID. But I really can't. So, we're gonna finish laundry today. We're going to put the laundry away. Actually, we might do that tomorrow. Let's be realistic here. We're gonna bathe at some point. I like that I say that, like I just don't bathe. I bathe. When I bathe, I have to wash my hair. And I don't like washing my hair. Like, my hair's long, y'all. Like, even when it's curly, it's still like right here. You can't see. Even when it's curly, it's like right here. You still can't see. Okay, it's almost at my boobs when it's curly. When it's straight, it's like my own personal nipple covers. And it's all natural. Like, it's not extensions. And then it's dirty, so you can't see my highlights. I only wash my hair like 3 times a week because I have highlights. Washing your hair is actually very damaging for it because it strips your hair of the natural oils. And actually, my hair looks pretty healthy. Stop. I've been sleeping with it. I've been trying to sleep with it in braids because it's really bad to sleep with your hair in a ponytail or a bun. Even though I use these little satin scrunchies, it's still so bad because it pulls out your hair, and then like that damages the follicle, and then if you lose hair, it's going to be harder to grow it back. I don't want to go bald. I like my hair. Granted, I want to cut it off 99% of the time. Yeah, okay. We are going to go. I am going to go check on the laundry. Find a snack. I'm hungry. Like, I'm hungry. Find a snack. Finish our coffee. I'll probably make some eggs, actually. Finish our coffee. And we'll probably watch Once Upon a Time. I don't know. I'm looking for something new to watch. And then I did get the, okay, so I don't know if y'all know about these, but there is a, like, villain series books for Disney. And I got Ursula, because I'm in this blessed group where, like, you just bless people through Amazon gifts and your wish list and blah, 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 blah. It's a great little group. If you're interested, comment down below and I'll, you know, shoot you the shoot you the information. But I was gifted the Ursula book. Now, as far as like villains go, my Maleficent holds my heart. Like that is my that's my girl. But I got Ursula, and I like Ursula. Out of like, I like the Evil Queen, Maleficent, and Ursula. Those are really like my top 3 villains. I read the entire book in 3.5 hours. And then someone told me that Mother Gothel was like dark and twisted and not something you would expect for Disney. So I was like, order. So hopefully that gets here today. I want to read it. And then we'll investigate. And then like in the book, there's this like group of witches called the Odd Sisters. And it's 4 sisters. It's 4 sisters. And they're witches, obviously. And then they team up with the villains. And they're not really friends with the villains, but they're friends with the villains. It's confusing. But I'm kind of living for them right now. So we're going to look into that too. Alright guys, I am going to go. We're going to go find something to snack on, drink some coffee, and I will be back before the unboxing. And we're going to edit. I need to edit Friday's video. Yeah, we're going to edit before we do any of that. Okay, we're back. So, we now have our unboxing. It's a big box. I did open it and already try everything on, I'm not gonna lie. And the first thing in the box is Mother Knows Best. It is the next book in the Disney villain series I was telling you about. I love these because the jacket shows one and then the inside shows another. Ursula's is awesome. It shows Ursula on the front and then her human form on the book itself. But that was the first thing. I will be reading it later today. I have a problem. Don't judge me. Okay. So I'm still missing one item from my order. But the first thing that I opened are my new jeans. Nice and long, because they're dirty now because I tried them on. Well, they're not really dirty, they just have pet hair on them. So, we have that. And they fit like a glove. I love them. I will post the links down below to everything I got. Huh? And then the second item I pulled out were my black leggings. Well, they're not really leggings, they're like jeggings, but because I needed some non-destroy black pants. Next up, we have a sweater. Okay, so I was really excited about this sweater because I've been looking at it for a while, and it was like $30, and then when I went to put it in the cart, it applied a 60% off coupon, and it's perfect for fall. Look at all these fall colors. It's nice and long. It goes like right above my knee. It is a non-buttonable cardigan. I love these so much. And lastly, the thing I am most excited about. Y'all have no idea how excited I am. I have been eyeballing this for like literally a year. Now that I have it in my hands, I want every color. I got a teddy bear hoodie. And it's really cute. I can pull it down and wear it with like regular leggings and some tennis shoes and make it like just a running around outfit, or I can wear it with pants and boots. And because of just the way it sits, it looks like a cute outfit. Y'all have no idea. It is so soft. Oh my goodness. Like just, the inside is just like this. Seriously. I'll show you the inside. Just like it. See? Alright, well I'm gonna go put all of my new things away, and then I'm gonna make a cup of coffee and sit down and read Mother Knows Best. I wish it was fall and chilly so I could wear all of my cute new sweaters. I have one more sweater coming. It's supposed to be here Wednesday, Friday, some point this week. Right, that is it for now. We were reading and I got to page 66. I read for like maybe an hour. And I am gonna watch a movie instead because it's been a while since I've watched a movie. I've been rewatching Once Upon a Time because I'm in like some weird Disney kick right now. Ow. But husband is cooking dinner and I'm gonna watch a movie. And then tomorrow we're gonna work out. And we're gonna go get coffee. So, see y'all soon. I am impatiently searching through HBO Max to see if I can find something, anything. I'm in a horror movie film thing mood, so we'll see what they got. That's sweet. Such a sweet baby. Yeah, I'm gonna take him to get coffee tomorrow. Little guy deserves it. Changed my mind. Looks like we're watching this.
Can you keep my secret?
We're Drink Beauty. It's an adorable little place. Mac loves it here. But we're gonna have some coffee, relax for a little bit. Yep. I feel like y'all need to see how badass this drink is. And then my normal latte. This one has honey and cinnamon. This one is white chocolate, lavender, espresso, obviously. Goji berry and taro powder. So we are about to film Saturday's video. It's gonna be a fun video, so I'm excited about that. But I'm just getting everything in order, and we will film that. And then I'm gonna sit down and edit this video. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Next week's will be a little more interesting, per se. Hopefully. Hopefully I'll have some good news for the next vlog. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, and have a good week.